Let us go one. The bathroom wall. Yeah, we're not sure if it's the mirror made or not. Doesn't matter, it doesn't have a mirror. The picture of Will they can't do it.
Okay, so this is the entrance.
And
That's a mirror. Okay, that freaked me out for a second. That's a mirror.
I wonder how many times anybody can walk into a wall.
Oh my gosh, I see him and I know he didn't go that way. There's a mirror.
Oh, he's done taken off.
That's a mirror.
Brandon. I see him. I see 3 of him over there. Which way are we going?
That's a mirror.
Well, this is good.
This is trippy as hell. Oh man, there's 2 again. Where did I go in a circle?
I don't know. Where'd you go?
That's a mirror.
He's gone.
I bet you there's something.
Did you make it out?
No, I bet you there's something.
How many times you face planted already? 4. Only 4? That didn't. It's a dead end.
Yeah, that's all mirror. This is messed up. I found a new part.
We found an emergency exit.
Oh shit, I thought this was the way out.
Sam. Sam.
Hey.
I don't know for sure if it's you. Oh, hell. Walter.
It's messing with your brain, ain't it?
It's really messing with my brain.
And see, here's the thing. I can look at the walls, I can see the mirrors and what's not. The reflections like pop different in my brain. Sam, right? Yeah, 'cause that's over here.
free right now. I see you together.
Where you going? Hey.
I think I found the exit. Oh no, that says exit that way. Fine.
Yes, because there's an emergency exit back there. Depending. Hey, you're backtracking. You're backtracking.
It says exit.
Yes, because there's an emergency exit.
To make us back and stare as I zone out. Can't even handle me right now. I see you watching me, I go all out. Can't even handle me right now. Can't even handle me right now.
He's still in there. Oh, there he is.
I went through that way.
Like 3 times. So you ran back to the entrance at least 3 times.
Yup.